Alright guys, today's the day. I finally got a new diecast. And I'm going to open it up. It's a model that I already had, but I sold the one that I had because it wasn't in the color that I wanted, and now I have the one, like the same model in the color that I want. So, let's open it up. Okay. I don't know if they actually gave me a box or not. Let's see. Oh yeah, they did. Okay, so Maisto Special Edition. And there it is. Yep, I got another Centenario. But it's blue this time. Which I said in my video of the other one that I had that I was going to get a blue one eventually. So yeah, here it is. Sorry, I forgot a screwdriver, so I'm gonna go get one and we will pull it out. Okay, got the screwdriver, so I'm back. So, let's open her up. Pull it out. Box was not in very good shape, like at all. But whatever. Alright, box is done. So here it is on the stand. Pretty cool. I think it looks pretty good. It's not quite blue Cepheus, but you know, still blue. Alright, let's take it off. There's one. There's two. So, can now take it off. We will put the base back in the box in a second. So now Need to take off this stuff. One. The other one's back here. Two. Okay. And this middle one. There we go. Okay. So. Here it is. Here's the car. So yeah, it's a Maisto Special Edition. This thing is a little dusty. Jeez. Whatever. So yeah, Maisto Special Edition. I don't know what blue it's supposed to be. It's just blue. But yeah, my previous one was orange, and I sold it to one of my friends. So here's the new one. And of course, the doors do open. And I'm pretty sure this opens as well. Yep, not that that matters, but it does. And you can also put the wing up. Which I would like to do, but I don't want to break it. That tail light is kind of loose. Yeah, I bought this from eBay from somebody, and it was like $40. But I don't know what kind of condition it was in. Like, I don't know where it was held or anything like that. So yeah, obviously the wheels do move. The wing should pop up. I'll see if I can figure out how to do that without feeling like I'm gonna break it. But yeah, here it is. It's kind of a, I don't know, greenish blue, but whatever. I like it. So what do you guys think? And I will go put it on the shelf. Alright, here it is. I did manage to get the wing up a little bit. I feel like it went up higher on my old model, but I don't know. Maybe not. That just does not seem quite right. I don't know. Regardless, I did get it up a little bit, and here it is. Back in the old one spot. So yeah. Newest diecast. So yeah, there it is. Which model do you think I should get next? Let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching.